What's up, guys? I'm Andy from 1aauto. Here we have some jumper cables from 1aauto.com. They have nice clamps. It's good to jumpstart your car, your motorcycle, or your tractor. This actually helps for when you're trying to get onto the battery. Sometimes it's hard to get in there, so there's a nice reach right there. Also comes with some instructions. If you don't know exactly how to hook the battery up, it shows where to hook it up on the car that you're jump starting with. Nice long cables. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.